We're inside the Vienna Museum. No? This is the entrance, no? With very impressive architecture. You enter here, go here, information, then you need audio guide. Ang packet dito. So dami niyang no? Because you pay parang 20 euro. You have thousands of people. Saan tayo here? Paintings.
0.5 muna tayo kasi it's the oldest.
Okay.
5 the oldest.
Yan natin. Egyptian and Eastern collection.
Egyptian collection.
Saan tayo?
It is safe.
Doon tayo punta? Ha?
That's there.
Okay. We are starting here. Oh. City of Palmyra. Okay. Who are this one? Simula. Mga emperors. The kings. Massive to na. Grabe. History. Yan. So, CR? Okay. So, ito muna tayo.